Hello, welcome to TV Room. David Bradley here. I'm just doing a quick thing here because I can. You see, I have here, you've probably seen these before. I have dog tags that I had made when I was visiting in Texas long ago. Was into a army surplus store where you could get them made. And of course, you're limited on characters because of the size of the thing. Oh, look. Anyway, I have combined them because the chain was not long enough. But now this is long enough. Now it's really too long. It is. But I could, in fact, wear these. One of them is when I was at Lawrence Park, and the other is when I was at Earl Hague. I do not think I will be back to Houston to get any more made. But you never know. Maybe I will. But certainly, I don't think I would do much to commemorate my current placement. I would not. Anyway, I think I will, at times, wear these. And hopefully it is a long time until the toe tags are necessary. Anyway, my phone is dying. Hopefully, I am not. Time to disperse things. Thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.